Are you confident you'll never be sued? According to the New York Times, that risk can loom large if, say, you are wealthy, a doctor, or have your own business. By the time you're slapped with a lawsuit, it's likely too late to protect yourself, so you need to act ahead of time. So, how to do that? By adding the forming of a Foreign Asset Protection Trust, or APT, to your estate plan. Insurance for your wealth. Here's how a foreign APT can foster an environment for an early and more favorable settlement. Our law firm settled a $58 million judgment for $7 million because the plaintiff had doubts about being able to enforce the judgment. Protected a client's portfolio assets from being taken by a judgment creditor in an almost $70 million judgment by creating the incentives for a very modest settlement. A $34 million malpractice lawsuit settled for less than $1 million. A $5 million default judgment settled for $125,000. A $75 million personal loan guarantee from a major international bank settled for $5 million. Each of these individuals would have been wiped out had they not had an asset protection plan in place. Given how litigious our society has become, think about how your life would be changed if a lawsuit took all or most of what you have, and that you could have avoided this result with an APT. Liability insurance policies provide limited coverage and not for all types of risks. Have a revocable living trust and believe it will protect you? You couldn't be more wrong. A lawsuit creditor will go through your living trust like a hot knife through butter. So, if you want maximum protection with no exception creditors and U.S. judgments that are not enforceable even if you have to file bankruptcy, then a foreign-based APT is for you. And it's surprisingly simple. Place a portion of your valued assets into a properly created APT when you have no pending, threatened, or expected claims. Should someone later threaten to sue you, the firewall protection provided by the APT removes the financial incentive, making you an unattractive target for lawsuit predators. Why? Because a judgment rendered against you is not enforceable against the trust's assets. As the Wall Street Journal states, distributions are at the discretion of a trustee who could stop payouts if there were a legal judgment against you. So, if you want the peace of mind of knowing you have done all you can to protect your wealth, contact us to see if a Foreign Asset Protection Trust makes good sense for you.